They're off at Presque Isle Downs. From the outside, Analyst has early speed. Orbit the Galaxy down along the rail. To the far outside, Old McDonald. In between is Come On Willie. And in behind them, Salute America. So make their way around the turn. It's going to be Analyst. It shows away by a length over Old McDonald in second. Orbit the Galaxy right down along the rail. Then Come On Willie's to the outside. A gap of 2, Salute America. And behind that one is Hoosier Boy, and a gap of maybe 5 lengths to Cliffs of Malibu, who's the trailer. Up the backstretch after a quarter in 25 and 2, and Analyst Pablo Morales show the way as it by a length. Old McDonald along in second. Moving up the rail is Orbit the Galaxy. Come On Willie tracking there in fourth. And then it's Salute America and Hoosier Boy. A gap of 5 lengths back to Cliffs of Malibu. A half a mile left to run after a half in 50 and 4. And to the far turn they go, and Analyst will show them into the far turn. Old McDonald still there in second. Orbit the Galaxy down along the rail. Come On Willie up in between. Now Salute America has moved 4 wide. Right up in behind them is Hoosier Boy. And Cliffs of Malibu is now on the move. Analyst continuing to show the way. Orbit the Galaxy a clear second. Moving up the rail is Hoosier Boy. The far outside, Salute America. And in between, Come On Willie. They straighten out the drive home. And Analyst continuing to show the way. But here comes Cliffs of Malibu to the far outside. And now Hoosier Boy. It's Analyst, and Hoosier Boy gets out of the trap. Analyst has the lead. Hoosier Boy trying to get there. But Analyst and Pablo Morales win it over Hoosier Boy. Then Orbit the Galaxy and Cliffs of Malibu fourth. Please hold all tickets, ladies and gentlemen. Steward's inquiry into the stretch run. Steward's inquiry in the stretch run, so please hold all tickets. Until the results have been declared official. Unofficially, the 6th Analyst shown as the winner, 6-1-3-4. Time of the race, 1 minute 41.18. (6-1-3-4). The inquiry sign has been removed. 6-1-3-4.